we've already put all the meat in this big container, and this is the supplement. Now we're trying to mix everything. Before I used to give Kira salmon, but she really liked the salmon. But the problem for that is that after taking that, I think there's too much fat in the salmon meat, so I stopped it. Now only give this, but you can change other meat like red, rolled, because in the wild, Wikipedia said in the wild, Serval takes 95% of their food are rodents. So you can change other meat. But for me, for now, these four kind of meats are Kira's food only. It's good. Fresh meat from the wet market. It's really good. Kira, Kira.